Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. Across industries, from software development and finance to healthcare and manufacturing, teams often use Word report templates to share updates, track progress, and communicate blockers to stakeholders. But these templates are static, manual, and time-consuming to maintain. They lack real-time data connectivity and offer limited interactivity, making them unsuitable for modern reporting needs. Bold Reports solves this with a converter tool that transforms Word report templates into RDL reports. RDL supports interactive features like data binding, filters, and visualizations, and enables automation, scheduling, and web embedding. RDL templates can also be reused across projects for consistent, scalable reporting. In this video, I will show you how to convert the Word report template to RDL. I will convert the transcript report template to RDL and pass data to CSV. Let's get started. First, I'll open the Word to RDL converter tool on the Bold Reports website. I upload the Word report template, which will add it to the tool. Next, to add the data file to populate the converted RDL file, select the Enable Data Source option and upload the CSV file to be used as the dataset in the report. Enabling the data source is optional and thus not necessary for all templates. However, it is only necessary for the Word template that requires the dataset to be configured in the report. Click the Convert and Download button to start the conversion. When the report is downloaded, I name it Transcript Report and open it in the Bold Reports Designer. Now, the report is displayed on the Designer surface. Next, I align the text box report items to ensure that they are well organized and placed uniformly. They'll align to the items furthest to the left. Lastly, I format the table report items. I select the table cell and insert a text box report item to add the missing header text. I assign a value to the header row to add the additional graduation requirement value. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. Switch to Preview on the top panel. The report will be displayed here. In this video, I've shown you how to convert Word report template to RDL files in the Bold Reports Designer. To try Bold Reports, you can start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, you can schedule a call by clicking the Request Demo button. To learn more about Bold Reports, you can visit boldreports.com. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.